Hey everyone, welcome back to Skyfold Flight. Today, we're going to make an amazing flying paper airplane that you can easily build at home using just a single sheet of paper. And the best part, you can take it outside and have fun flying it. So, let's get started. First, grab one regular letter-sized sheet of paper. Fold the paper exactly in half from the middle to create a center crease. Now, open the paper back up. Next, fold the top edge down about half an inch. Now take the top right corner and fold it toward the center crease. Do the same thing with the top left corner, bringing it toward the center crease. You should now see a nice triangle shape at the top. Next, take the bottom point of that triangle and fold it up toward the center crease. Now fold the right side toward the left and the left side toward the right. Make sure you leave about a ½ inch gap along the center line. Press down firmly on all the folds to make the creases sharp. Now it's time to make the wings. Fold one side down evenly to create the first wing. Then flip the airplane over and fold the other side in exactly the same way. Make sure both wings are even and symmetrical. This will help your airplane fly straight and stay balanced. And that's it. Your awesome flying paper airplane is ready. Take it outside to an open area and give it a smooth, level throw. With the right fold, paper, and flying conditions, this airplane can travel a great distance and reach impressive heights. It may even travel around 100 to 150 meters, depending on the wind and how you launch it. So, if you enjoyed making this airplane, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Skyfold Flight for more awesome paper airplane designs. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.